Hey up, Mara, are we on?
You are.
Right, we're dead busy today, you know. We're making these, look. These are a lovely little oak risers that we're making for jewellery displays. So, I've got these three. I've already sanded them up. I've sanded them on the belt sander. First of all, do all sides, and then I've just took the edge off. So on the edge here, I've just gone round all the blocks on the very edge, so we haven't got any sharp bits. If they're going to be in a shop, we don't want any sharp bits. So that's the machine part, and then with elbow grease, just sanding them with the grain, sanding them on the edge, just making sure they're all nice. Okay?
So all the pieces are individually hand done?
Yep, they're all individually finished, hand finished. They all have to pass the cheek test. Puff my cheek out, make sure they're all smooth all the way around, and there's nothing on there that's going to cause anybody any bother. But they look beautiful, so if you're in a shop, you want something like a little block to put a ring on, or 2 rings on, or something like that, then they'll be really nice. So I've got this one here. This is a chunky. This still again is oak, and I'm looking at it thinking that doesn't look square. So do you know how you tell if something's square or not?
How?
Well, you can have a tri-square. You might find a smaller one like this.
What's a tri-square?
This is a tri-square.
Why is it a tri-square?
And it's got a 90-degree angle here. Normally has a bit of brass on this bit here and a rosewood handle. And what you do is put your work, so you put this bit against a square edge of your wood, okay? And if I put it like this and hold it up to the light, okay, if I can't see any light through it, then I know that that's 90 degrees and it's square, so that one's okay. However, if we turn it round to this way, if I do the same thing here, can you see? You can see some light through it. So we know that edge isn't square. But we do know, yeah, we'll go around it. But we know this edge is square here because we checked that one earlier. So what you do is, with your straight edge that you found, see, look, it's quite a way out. I'm going to draw a pencil mark along there, and then I can continue that around the block. Like that. Around here. And back to there.
Do they line up?
So I know that then that bit there I need to remove to make it square, and I can check by measuring it. So if I get my steel rule, okay, so if I measure that, so it's 90 there, yep, it's 90 and 90. We notice with steel rules the numbers start from the very end. Normal rule you have a little bit where there's a bit of plastic, but this is because you can put your thumb on the edge like that. Make sure it's level when you start off. Okay, so yeah, that's all right. So I have a choice now. If I had a bandsaw, which hopefully I'll get one soon, I could bandsaw that down. I could file it. I might just sand it down to the line. So then I can sand that down to the line. Then I'll do the same thing, check to make sure it's square, and that way that's an easy way to make sure you would have squared just by using a light and a tri-square.
Thanks, Nat.
You're welcome.